Good evening. Today we will see the corporate news dated 19th May 2022. So for the first news we have JSW Group may spend $1.7 billion to buy Mytrah Energy's wind and solar assets. In yet another instance of a big bang deal brewing in the Indian clean energy segment, Sajjan Jindal-led JSW Group has signed an exclusivity agreement with Hyderabad-based Mytrah Energy to buy the latter wind and solar assets, according to the multiple industrial sources by Money Control. The domestic renewable energy segment has been buzzing with merger and acquisition activity for the past 2 years. There was a lot of interest from both global and strategic partners as well as funds for this transaction, as it is a portfolio of sufficient size and scale, and there are not many such assets for grabs in the market. Mytrah Energy has signed an exclusivity pact with JSW Group, which wants to purchase the entire portfolio. JSW Group had edged ahead of other suitors, and that the enterprise value of the deal was likely to be between 1.6 to 1.7 billion dollar. For the next news we have, after cemented media biz, Adani Group enters healthcare. Adani Health Ventures, a subsidiary of Adani Enterprises, will carry on the business of healthcare related activities. The new entity will be engaged in healthcare related activities like setting up medical and diagnostic facilities and research centers. Next we have Welspun acquires 54% of Syntex BAPL debt. Welspun is offering rupees 1127 crore to acquire Syntex BAPL, a manufacturer of plastic components for the automotive industry. Welspun is seeking to acquire at least 67% of the total debt, which will give it controlling rights at Syntex BAPL's Committee of Creditors. For the final news we have Volkswagen Mahindra sign agreement to collaborate on EVs. Volkswagen and Mahindra are exploring the use of MEB electric components for Mahindra's new Born electric platform. The two companies signed a partnering agreement on Wednesday to evaluate the scope of collaboration. The shared objective of the two companies is to electrify the Indian automotive market, one of the most important automotive growth markets and a key element in the global decarbonization of the mobility sector. Thank you, and please do subscribe, like and share for showing your appreciation, and you can contact us from the details given below. And that's all for today.